Hey, Thomas, tell us what we're going to do with all of that wood over there.
We are going to mill that wood into interior trim beams and posts for building carports, and we're going to mill cedar for planter boxes. And we're hoping to maybe make a business out of milling and selling wood. So this is our Woodland Mills HM126 bandsaw mill. We got it with the upgraded horsepower package and blade guides, so it's a very powerful machine. We just got this mill head assembled today. It still needs to have the final tweaking and leveling done to it. We have leveled this track using a laser. It is perfectly level. So this entire head, which weighs about 1,100 pounds, just rolls right down the track. So it's a 14 horsepower, and it will do up to a 26 diameter log, a 24-inch wide live edge log, and a 20-inch wide square board. So big machine, and I did a lot of research before we bought it, and I was very impressed with what I saw about Woodland Mills, so I'm really looking forward to trying this thing out.